It is day 2 of Donald Trump's historic criminal trial. All eyes are on the proceedings which are currently underway in New York. Judge Juan Merchan is set to rule on whether the former U.S. president has violated the gag order imposed to prevent Trump from intimidating witnesses. Justice Merchan has reserved the decision on gag order at the moment. During the gag order hearing, prosecutors accused Donald Trump of willfully and brazenly violating the order. Prosecutor urged the presiding judge to impose a maximum $1,000 fine for each post on Trump's Truth Social platform found to be in violation of the order. He also urged for the messages to be removed. Judge Juan Merchan had a heated exchange with Trump's lawyer. He expressed frustrations that he was not getting specific answers in questioning of the matter. Trump's lawyer tried to convey that the former president is being very careful to comply with his order. Meanwhile, Trump again complained about the gag order on Truth Social. In an all-caps post, he accused Justice Merchan of taking away his, quote, right to free speech and claimed that he was not allowed to defend himself. While witnesses' testimonies have resumed in the trial, former tabloid executive David Pecker has taken the stand again today to continue his testimonials. Trump is facing 34 felony charges in the hush money payment trial. He has been accused of falsifying documents to hide his transactions of a sum of $130,000 US. This is to buy silence of his affair with adult star Stormy Daniels in order to influence the 2016 election. The case is historic because it is the first time in U.S. history that a former president is facing a criminal trial. The entire process can take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. If convicted, Trump could be sentenced to 4 years in prison. Susan Tehrani is our correspondent in the U.S. and she has been following this case for us closely. She is now joining us live from New York. Hi, Susan. It looks like we better get used to the name Judge Juan Merchan in the coming days. He has proved to be very influential in this case, that he even made Trump complain about the gag order on Truth Social, accusing the judge of taking away his right to free speech. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, as you mentioned on Truth Social, Donald Trump really expressed his frustration. And this was a frustration that was also seen in the courtroom by Trump's lawyers. What they're arguing, first of all, is Trump, in a Truth Social way, if we want to compare it to Twitter, basically retweeted or reposted something that a TV anchor and reporter had said. And you know that saying and that caveat that says retweets are not endorsements. So they sort of argued regarding that. But another issue that's concerning for the Trump camp is that there are others like Michael Cohen, his disgraced lawyer, the former lawyer, who is on television 24/7 and is disparaging the former president and talking about this trial. And then you have others, public authorities as well, that are also talking about this trial, which leaves the president as the sole individual who's not able to comment on this. So I think that's where the frustration lies. Nonetheless, the judge is saying that, I'll have to wait and see whether or not I'm going to carry out this gag order or not. But there is a sense that this is not the last time we're going to be hearing of a gag order.
All right. I've been talking to our correspondent, Susan Tehrani in New York. Susan, thank you. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.